Ayan guys, here's our part 2 of showing you the memo pads that I've got. And ito, tanggalin muna natin itong mga A6 or big memo pads para dun lang tayo mag-focus sa small sizes. Wait lang guys ha. Tatanggalin ko lang siya. Wala na ba? Ay, ito pa pala. So, yan. Then guys, ito pala, meron din palang kasamang letter set dito. So cute, no? Then, ito yung inclusions niya. Parang die cut na. Tama ba? Die cut na letter sheets, envelope. Tapos, ito yung another letter sheets. So, yan. Then, yung sticker sheets. Si Ebi and si Tonkatsu. Then, dito na tayo sa mga small memo pads. So, yan guys. I'll try my best na ma-describe siya one by one ha. So, please bear with me. Lagay muna natin dito yung hindi pa tapos. So, we'll start this one muna. This one is Mochi Pan. Ang cute eh, no? Naka-costume sila. So, sabi ko nga dun sa last video ko, usually kapag ganitong size, yung mini, dalawa lang yung design niya per pad. So, ito yung una niyang design. And then, wait lang. Next. So, ito siya. Next natin guys, Obake. Super cute Obake. Ito yung first. And ito yung next. This one cute to. Bear. Tama ba? Oh, bear. So, first design. Second, ayun yung cover niya. Taro chance. Ganun din. First, second. Alam ko may iba pang taro chance dito eh. So, what's this? So, first, second. Then, we have another Mochi Pan. I'm sorry guys if may maririnig kayong mga maingay sa background. Sorry. So, Mochi Pan. Another Mochi Pan. Alam nyo guys, cute na cute ako ngayon sa Mochi Pan. Ayun o. Ang sarap niya i-squish. Parang ganun. First design. Second. Pancake. Next, we have Sanrio Obake. This one. Ang cute ni Sina. Actually, lahat mo sila cute. And second, we have Pom Pom. Ang cutie. Parang siyang inaantok. First. Second. We have another Obake here, guys. This one. First design. Second. Meron din tayong Sina. Yung parang kay Pom Pom kanina. Si Mirko. First design. Second. We also have Taro Chance again. First. Second. So, another Taro Chance. First. Second. O, meron pa tayong Obake dito. Obake also. Ang cute o. Also, this one. We have here. Tama, Obake pa din. Yes. Happy Danboy. Obake. First. Ay, ang cute nila guys. And second. Another one. Obake pa din. First. Second. Guys, ito yung parang katerno nung letter set kanina, di ba? Naalala nyo ba? So, first. Ang yummy no. And second. Also, we have bears here. Yung cherry. First. Second. Ano to? Cutie. Unicorn. Parang unicorn and bear. First. Ay, yung cute. Nag-effect sila. And second. Last two na, guys. And we also have Melody. Yung parang si Sina and si Pom Pom kanina. First. And second. And last one. Ang cute din ito, guys. Di ko sure kung bago siya. Parang sabi nila bago din daw to na character. I think it's indie. Cute. Also this one. So, ayan guys. This is the last one. So, Thank you for watching, guys.